In our class. Have you prepared a thought or a speech for today?
Yes, ma'am, speech.
Okay, please.
On Labor Day. On Labor Day, which is celebrated on 1st May every year, is also known as May Day or International Workers' Day. In India, it is referred to as Antarashtriya Sharmik Divas or Kamgar Din. It has originated from the United States Labor Union movement in the 19th century, particularly 8 hours day movement, which advocated 8 hours work per day. In the late 19th century, the working conditions of people were very bad as they had to work 12 to 16 hours per day. The working conditions were very unsafe and severe. In 1886, first May, various labor unions across the US went on strike. They demanded 8 hours of working a day. After a few days, there was bloodshed and day. After a few days, there was a lot of people injured because a revolution is to bomb in the market. It was after 5 years this day was recognized as a holiday by social organizations.
Okay.
This day is celebrated worldwide to pay tribute to contribution of people and their social and economic achievements. It is a day for the worker they do and the time they contribute to do so. It is to motivate them and tell to them that their needs and rights are in focus. We should appreciate the workers' efforts and their contribution to the society. We all know that they work really hard for minimum pay. We should encourage their hard work. Thank you.
Okay, very good. But I just want to tell you few things. You have read this one as an article, but I want a speech. For speech, what you have to do? First of all, you will greet the audience, whoever your audience is. Here only I am your audience, so you should greet, and then you will say that your name, is going to deliver a speech on this topic. Okay, and then you will start, and always start speech with a quote. Quotation should be related to the topic. Okay, you find a quotation related to the topic, begin with that quotation, then you read your speech, and at the end also there must be a nice quotation. Okay, so you have to modify it, and I will give you 2-3 days time, and in the meantime you have to learn it, and then you will don't read it. I just want you should learn it. Okay, first of all you have to modify the beginning, like good morning, respected judges, if
Yes, ma'am,
judges
I
are
know
there,
this.
teachers are there, whoever are there. Okay, I, such and such my name, is delivering a speech in front of you or speech to you on this topic. You will say the topic. Okay, after that a quotation. After quotation you will read your speech, and at the end again you will end it with a quotation. Okay, and
Okay.
how many days do you want for it? It should be learned without looking at the book copy.
3 days.
3 days. Okay, today is
Ma'am,
Monday.
also I have a holiday homework for. I also have get a holiday homework.
You got the holiday homework. Okay, what is the holiday homework of your English?
Ma'am, English, ma'am, in this, ma'am, first question is, ma'am, we have to make a bookmark
Okay.
in a quotation that I already done. And ma'am, PowerPoint presentation on sentence. I
Okay.
also already done, ma'am, this.
Okay.
And ma'am, an article and a diary.
Article and diary entry. Diary
Yes,
entry.
ma'am.
Diary entry topic is given.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how you spending your day in lockdown? In lockdown
Okay.
period.
So it will be better that after few days you should write diary entry so that you will get more experiences and then you will complete your diary entry. And before diary entry, you said one thing more. What was the article or something? What is
Yes,
the topic of your article?
Ma'am, online studies and offline studies.
Okay,
Which one is better?
difference
Online.
between.
Yes, ma'am, difference.
Okay, you write it and then you will read it to me, and if there is some correction, I will do it for you. Okay. Now, let us start. Have you written the sentences on present perfect continuous tense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read it. First you read it, then I will tell you the next.
Past perfect tense.
Oh,
Past
sorry.
perfect tense.
Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect we already did. Past perfect continuous tense.
Ma'am, but I only make the sentence of past perfect continuous.
Okay, read it. Whatever you have done, please read it.
My friend had been going for match from last 2 minutes.
Oh, okay. From, acha, next, पढ़ो.
Raju and Raman had been going to school.
Okay. Next one.
Ma'am, only I have written two.
Only two. Why? What did you do in Sunday?
Ma'am, I remember that I have to write to do only two sentences.
Only two sentences of present perfect, I told you. But present perfect continuous, I told you to write 5 sentences. Acha. First sentence, please read the first sentence. From 2 minutes नहीं बोलते हैं. Read the first sentence. Again, present perfect continuous का first sentence बोलो.
My friend had been going for match from last 2 minutes.
Acha. Had been going means something he was doing in the past, not now. तो लास्ट 2 मिनट्स में हो जाता है, प्रेजेंट में आ जाएगा वो. तो had been doing since 1 year ऐसे कर सकते हो. ओके, और सिंस के फॉर 1 year करो एंड सिंस के साथ एक पर्टिकुलर आपको ईयर देना पड़ेगा. सिंस 19 क्या बोलोगे, और सिंस 2020 ऐसा कुछ बोलो, या 2019 ऐसा कुछ बोलो. My friend had been working hard since 2019.
Remember time written that my friend had been going for match.
Okay, my friend had been going for match since class 5. So when he was in class 5, from that time he used to go to play the match.
Ma'am, now I am writing, ma'am, I changed match to London that year. Then my friend had been going for London.
Going
since,
to London, going for name.
yes.
Going to London for many years. For many years या तो कर दो, बहुत सालों से वो जा रहा था. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, अब नहीं जा रहा है. The meaning is, my friend had been going to London for many years. इसका जो मीनिंग, जो अंडरस्टूड मीनिंग है, दैट मीन्स ही इज नॉट गोइंग नाउ. अर्लियर ही यूज्ड टू गो. समझ में आया? ये डिफरेंस है. हैड बीन गोइंग में ये डिफरेंस है. हैड बीन गोइंग मीन्स पहले जाया करता था. इज नॉट गोइंग नाउ. ओके, एक दो सेंटेंस अभी और बना लो सो दैट इट विल बी क्लियर टू यू. Anything, had been doing, had been working.
Yes. My father had been working hard since 10 years.
ओके, सिंस नहीं. जब 10 years में आपको पर्टिकुलर, यू डोंट नो पर्टिकुलर विच 10 years, एट दैट टाइम यू विल राइट फॉर 10 years.
10 years.
फॉर और सिंस में भी डिफरेंस है. फॉर में जब आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर टाइम नहीं पता, देन यू विल राइट फॉर. और अगर आपको पता है कि एक 10 years मीन्स कौन सा 10 year आपको पता है कि नाउ इट इज 21, तो 2011, अगर आपको पता है कि ही इज वर्किंग हार्ड, ही हैड बीन वर्किंग हार्ड, तो फिर क्या, फॉर 10 years तो जनरल हो गया। और अगर आपको स्पेसिफिक देना है देन यू विल से माई फादर हैड बीन वर्किंग हार्ड सिंस 2011। समझ में आ गया? तो जब आपको
Okay.
पर्टिकुलर और स्पेसिफिक टाइम देना होता है देन यू विल राइट SINCE सिंस, एंड व्हेन इट इज नॉट पर्टिकुलर और स्पेसिफिक देन यू विल से FOR फॉर। ओके, नाउ डू द नेक्स्ट वन, वन
Okay.
मोर सेंटेंस। Anything else? Anything you can say.
Raju's mother had been working hard from
राजूज मदर हैड बीन रनिंग द स्टोर, ऐसे कर लो, दुकान चला रही हैं। राजूज मदर हैड बीन रनिंग द स्टोर। अब फॉर या सिंस लगाओ, तुम्हें समझ के लगाना है। इफ स्पेसिफिक देन सिंस, इफ नॉट स्पेसिफिक देन फॉर।
ma'am for 10 years.
For 10 years. Okay. Raju's mother had been running the store for 10 years. Okay, write it down, नहीं तो भूल जाओगे बाद में। लिख लो। Difference of for and since, you should know what is the difference of for and since. For means any years, any number of years, any number of hours, HOURS hours, any number of time. That is called, तब बोलेंगे हम, then at that time we will use for. And when we know a specific time, specific year, at that time we will use SINCE.
My return.
Okay, so how many sentences we have done?
Yes, ma'am.
How many sentences?
Ma'am 4.
4. So then write one more sentence. At least 5 तो करना है ना? Write one more
Yes, ma'am.
sentence. Something different. Try to use some different sentences.
Your mother had been working hard for your family for 10 years since 2009.
Okay. Your mother had been working hard for your family since 2009. Okay.
My return.
Okay. Now finish this one. Past tense is complete. Now do you have any doubt in any form of past tense? Simple
ma'am.
past, past continuous, past perfect, perfect. It is over. Totally, it is clear. Okay. Now next one. What do you want to know? Present tense, simple present, or you are perfect in that? Do you have any doubt in present tense? Do you want to learn present tense? Simple
Ma'am, no,
present?
I'm not. Ma'am, I'm not a doubt in simple present.
Okay. But if do you know how to make negative sentences in simple present? Negative and interrogative? Okay, just revise the things. Okay, write revision. Write revision. Put the heading revision. We will revise it. Okay. Now give me a sentence in simple present.
Ma'am, in simple present.
Yes.
That boys are naughty.
That boy is naughty. Okay. Write it down. And make it negative and interrogative. Have you written?
I written negatively.
Okay,
Ma'am, in
please.
negative, that boys are not naughty.
That boys. अभी तो तुमने boy किया था. That
No, ma'am, boys. No, I
boys.
say boys.
Okay, then don't write that. That is used with singular. If you have written boys, then it
Ma'am,
should
these
be
boys are
those. That का those होता है. This का these होता है. So if you have written that and boys, then it should be those boys
are naughty.
are not naughty. है ना? अभी तो नेगेटिव बोल रहे हो. Those boys are not naughty. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can say those boys are not those are not naughty boys. You can say like this also.
Okay.
Next one, interrogative.
Ma'am, are those boys are naughty?
दो बार आर क्यों आ गया? Are those boys?
Is, ma'am, sorry, is.
नहीं, boys बोल रहे हो तो is क्यों होगा? बॉयज है ना, प्लूरल है ना, तो इस क्यों होगा? बोलो.
Are those boys
नॉटी. बस. आर दोज बॉयज नॉटी? क्वेश्चन मार्क. Okay. Now, shall I give you a sentence? You will change it into negative?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mohit learns his lesson. Mohit learns his lessons.
Ma'am, in interrogative or negative?
दोनों में नेगेटिव में भी इंटरोगेटिव में भी. Have you written?
No, ma'am.
What are you writing? Negative or interrogative?
Ma'am, interrogative.
Okay.
Ma'am, in negative, Mohit not learn his lesson.
Okay. And interrogative?
Ma'am, in interrogative, is Mohit learn his lesson?
Okay. Now here is the mistake which you are doing. When you say simple sentence into negative, where is or are is not there. So this type of sentence we have to use do or does. Have you heard? Do or does. Do is used with plural and does is used with singular.
Single.
So Mohit is singular or plural?